So this is the Crushmetric Switch pen. It comes in this cool box from Crushmetric.com. And when you take it out, you'll notice that it's this thick pen that comes in white plastic housing with a metallic piece of metal paper that folds up and the pen is switched on. So when this lever is switched, the metallic paper folds up, increases up. And so I've always wondered what happens underneath and what happens inside the pen that actually causes this to happen. And so this is one of the first videos on the entire internet that's going to be showing what the actual inside of this pen looks like. And so I would greatly appreciate it if you guys would leave a like on this video just to promote it, since this pen does cost $8 and I might be destroying it. So let's open it up. I am definitely curious about what goes on inside this pen. So we're gonna try to unscrew the cap, and it just pops out like that. You can see the red cap on here. This pen has not been used yet. Here's the spring, standard for most pens. Let's remove the ink cartridge, and you guys can see that it's definitely a thick ink cartridge. There's a lot of ink in here. And all right, the moment of truth. Let's see what is underneath this metal paper. That is very shocking. So underneath here, all that this is just plastic that's molded like this. This is crazy, guys. So let's put it back together now without the housing on it, without that metallic paper. Let's put it back together just without that. So now we can see what this looks like underneath. So this is what it looks like without the paper on. This is it, guys. This is crazy. So if this is the first time you guys have ever seen this, leave a like and subscribe. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. All that this does is it brings it together. So the way that these pens work is once the paper is pushed slightly together, it folds along these ridges. And so that all you're doing is when you turn on the pen, activate it, you're just bringing it together, and that's what exposes the metal ballpoint tip, is just the action of bringing these two halves together. So let's put it back together with the metal paper on it, and let's see what it looks like. So let's make sure that's off, deactivated. Just be super careful. Just slide that gently on. Let's be super careful. I do not want to bend this. Just hold on like that. Let's put the thing up on the front back on here. Okay, this is gonna be hard to do, but we just have to slide this somehow. Just slide this on. All right, that is it. So put it back together. It's slightly bent now. I will be able to fix that later, guys. So yeah, that's it, basically. This is what the pen looks like. So underneath, all that is being done is it's just being brought together. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was really fun. Let's put it back together, back in the box. And yeah, check out crushmetric.com or scan this QR code if you guys want to buy one of your own pens like this. This video is not sponsored. These pens are just really cool. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.